In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change output device on Discord. If you've ever wanted Discord's audio to play through your headphones instead of your speakers, or you switch between devices for work and gaming, this quick setup will make sure sound goes exactly where you want it. Start by opening Discord and making sure you're signed in. Give it a second to fully load and confirm your audio device is plugged in or connected so Discord can see it. Next, look to the bottom left corner of Discord. You'll see your profile area, and right beside your name is the small gear icon for user settings. Click that gear to open your settings. On the left sidebar, scroll to the section labeled App Settings and select Voice and Video. This is where all your call and sound options live. You'll notice there are separate controls for input and output. Input is your microphone. Output is what we're focusing on. That's where Discord sends sound, like voices in a call and notification tones. Find the output device drop-down. Click it, and you'll see a list of available devices, such as your speakers, gaming headset, Bluetooth earbuds, or an option called Default. Choosing a specific device forces Discord to always use that exact device. Choosing Default tells Discord to follow whatever your computer's system sound is set to. If you frequently change your system's default device, picking Default can save time. If you want to lock Discord to a particular headset, pick that device by name. After you select your output device, look just below for the output volume slider. This controls how loud Discord sounds are inside the app without changing your overall system volume. If people are coming through too loudly, slide it down. If they're too quiet, slide it up. You can combine this with your computer's volume to dial in a comfortable balance. When you're done, simply close the settings window. There's no save button here. Discord applies your changes automatically. From now on, Discord will use the output device you selected for voice chat and other audio. That's all there is to it. If you ever need to switch back, revisit user settings, open voice and video, and choose a different device or adjust the volume again. And remember, if you don't hear anything, double-check that you selected the correct output and that the device is connected and not muted. Keeping input and output straight will save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer, more controlled audio in Discord.